From the time of Hippocrates or Sushruta, the way a surgeon did the operation was washing his or her hands and then putting your hands into the patient and doing what you need to do. Here's a paradigm shift where there's a guy saying, I don't have to do any of this. I can just sit at a video console, manipulate some joysticks, and I can do it better than I can do it with my own hands. That's a huge paradigm shift.
Meryl and I are proud to present the second annual Golden Robot Award to Dr. Menon, a lifelong innovator and visionary. Dr. Menon is best known for his pioneering role in the adoption of robotic-assisted, minimally invasive surgeries that have benefited more than 14 million patients in 70 countries worldwide.
I pinch myself. When I went into medicine, I felt I want to help the people I directly deal with, but a dream was that I would help people whom I haven't actually seen, and the robot has allowed me to do that.
Dr. Menon's work has benefited millions of patients around the world, and his innovations with robotics have improved surgery for patients and surgeons alike, transforming the future of medical treatment.
The story of Dr. Menon starts with an open mind, out-of-box thinking, innovation, passion to figure out something which didn't exist before. What he has done cannot be understood till we understand what problem he was trying to sort out.
It occurred to me that there was a better way of doing minimally invasive surgery.
Prostate cancer is a very common cancer, and when you treated prostate cancer before year 2000, there was significant blood loss. It was not an easy operation, and he felt that is there a way to do this operation with lesser amount of bleeding, better vision, less cutting, possibly less damage to the nerves, and having a patient live a better continent life. That was the theme in his mind.
The thing that could make the simplest impact or decreasing the complications. The most promising way in which I could improve the quality of surgery was by introducing the tools of minimally invasive surgery.
There was a revolution happening in the field of robotics, that someone was trying to build a robot to do the surgeries for the heart. The robot was never thought about for the prostate cancer.
Thinking about using the robot for the treatment of prostate cancer is a paradigm shift, and that is innovation, but that is also risk-taking because you don't know what the results of your innovation are going to be.
He saw with the robot a way to really improve maybe hundreds of thousands of people's lives, and that is what drove him. I mean, I think he saw a beauty in the surgery as done with the robot, that it was so precise, and the recovery times were so much better than open surgery that I think he just felt like if he could just get people to see what he saw, it would catch on.
The pushback from every sane, thoughtful, compassionate surgeon was there was a lot of fluff in this.
I saw his journey. He worked so hard. He worked with a meticulous precision. He worked with a passion. He worked with all the adversities around that any new challenge, people don't believe in it.
I had a lot of friends before I started doing robotics. I lost them all because it was a question of credibility, and they felt that these results were just not reproducible. Because we collected the data, we knew that they were reproducible.
Eventually, it did start to catch on.
I think millions of patients owe a better quality of surgery to this one human being who was intuitive enough, who was mindful enough to think about a better treatment, and he revolutionized the field of robotic surgery. This Golden Robot Award is an one very small recognition for him to be recognized for what he has done for the humanity.
Congratulations, Mani. We are so proud of you.
By honoring my father with the Golden Robot Award, we are honoring a man who came from very humble beginnings, who came to this country with less than $20 in his pocket, and who just loved what he did and loves what he does and kept learning, innovating, and never stops working.
One of the greatest achievements of my dad's career was being honored by the Smithsonian American History Museum. For our kids to see Paji, which is what our kids call him, so prominently featured in a really amazing exhibit around immigration's effect on American innovation was really profound for them, that their silly grandfather has accomplished something so great.
I'd like to think of myself as a good person who tried to help people. That's it. The Golden Robot Award, in a sense, reflects what I've tried to do in my entire professional career, trying to help patients. I embraced innovation because I thought it would bring progress to the medical field.